subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has finally launched 3 new flagship phones under S series globally called Galaxy S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra. Among these 3, the Galaxy S22 is the most affordable phone under this series with cool features, and it is compact in size. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy S22 features a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and it supports maximum 1300 nits of peak brightness. The screen supports HDR10+, and both the front and rear panel of the phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Vectors Plus. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by latest Exynos 2200 chipset or Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset in some other regions. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Galaxy S22 supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with a f1.8 aperture, plus 12MP ultra wide-angle lens with 120° field of view, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 8K videos at 34 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 10MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on One UI 4.1 skin on top. The device comes backed by 3700 mAh battery that supports 25W wired fast charging, 15W wireless charging, and it also supports wireless power sharing. Additionally, the smartphone features ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 146 by 70.6 by 7.6mm, and it weighs around 168 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy S22 has been priced at $799 for the base variant, and it is reported to be available from February 25th in Phantom Black, White, Pink, Green, Graphite, Cream, Sky Blue and Violet color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy S22 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.